Electronic anodic oxidation (EAO) concept. Concept explanation. EAO is a process that uses controlled electronic systems to apply anodic polarization to metal surfaces and surrounding environments, forming a protective oxide layer that prevents rust, corrosion, and moisture-related issues. Oxidation and anodic polarization. The concept involves inducing oxidation, loss of electrons, on metal surfaces and surrounding air through anodic polarization, leading to the formation of an oxide layer that acts as a protective barrier. Implementation. The concept includes designing electronic systems capable of applying an impressive current to metal surfaces and transmitting anodic polarization into the air. Potential control. The electronic system adjusts the potential voltage applied to metal surfaces and the surrounding environment, ensuring oxidation occurs in the anodic region. Moisture control. EAO also functions by removing excess moisture from the air, thereby preventing mold growth, odors, and related issues. Benefits. EAO offers benefits such as mold prevention, relief from allergies and asthma, odor reduction, and preservation of building materials. Applications. EAO can be applied in residential, commercial, and industrial settings, including electronics areas, automotive environments, aircraft, storage facilities, and more. Coverage and placement. Modules are installed based on coverage requirements, with each module covering 40 square feet. Placement is suggested in areas with high humidity. Installation. Installation involves fixing the module and connecting it to a suitable power source, whether it's batteries, solar panels, or adapters. Maintenance and energy efficiency. Regular maintenance is essential, and the system can be powered by 12 VDC using various sources. Integration. EAO can be integrated into building automation systems for centralized control and monitoring. Materials science, electrochemistry, and building engineering.